Hey guys, is it too soon for another Diamante update? Not when the views are like this. Hi, it's Christian Guerrero here again in San Pedro Ambergris Caye, La Isla Bonita. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look at what the views from the 4th floor look like. I'm standing here what would be the balcony and the master bedroom of our building A. We had our casting done yesterday. We had 97 strong, knocked it out in about half a day. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of what the views are like from our 4th story. Don't take my word for it, come on down, I'll happily show you. If you have any questions about the development, feel free to call me, 602-3175, or send me an email, sales@diamantebelize.com. I'd love to host you. Put me to work. Cheers.